Greetings, friends, and welcome to Unit 4 of PA201 Introduction to Legal Research. This week, we get into researching statutes, and you're going to find that we're in for a fascinating week of work together. On our discussion board this week, each of you is going to look into statutory law in your own jurisdiction about drunk driving. And one of the things that I think we are very likely to discover is that the standards for drunk driving will not be the same in every state, nor will the punishment be. Now, during my years as an attorney, and a few years before that as an alcohol consumer, I can tell you that here in California, the laws for DUI have become a lot more strict. The statutory limit for alcohol consumption is a lot lower now than it was when I was a teenager or in my early 20s. Also, more generally speaking, the laws of driving have become more restrictive, especially of younger drivers, than it was back in the day. So in our discussion board, each of you is going to have a chance to look into your local laws, and if it turns out we've got a couple of people from the same jurisdiction, well then the first one to get to it has got it, and the next person has got to look up some other separate jurisdiction. But by the time we're done with our discussion this week, we're going to have a pretty good menu of DUI laws across a fairly wide swathe of the country. Our writing assignment here in Unit 4 also involves statutory law. We're back to our slip and fall case here. Remember it? The mom who fell down in the grocery store slipping on some shampoo? Well, this week we're going to get a few additional facts about the case. We're going to learn about a lawsuit being filed, and we're going to learn more about what the store's defenses are. And our job this week is to look up the applicable state statute dealing with contributory or comparative fault. That's a part of tort law that, if you don't know already, you're going to know soon. And I'll fill you in on the details during our seminar here in Unit 4. By the time you're done, you're going to have an excellent idea about how to look up and how to cite citations. It's an action-packed week, and I'm already looking forward to all the work we're going to get to do together.